All right, boys, we're deep in the forest and I keep hearing this weird humming sound. Following it to see what's going on.
What the? Boys, there's a vending machine in the middle of the woods. This doesn't make any sense. There's no power lines, no road access. How is this thing even running? This is impossible.
Welcome, forest dweller. I have been waiting for you.
Did you boys hear that? The vending machine just talked to me. It knows I'm Bigfoot.
Try our new Pine Needle Cola. Perfect for forest adventures. Only $3.50.
I don't have money. I live in the forest. Can I trade pine cones?
Analyzing. Pine cones acceptable. Current exchange rate. 47 pine cones per soda.
How long have you lived in these woods? Do you have family? What are your deepest fears?
Okay, this is getting weird. Why does a vending machine need to know about my personal life?
Bring me 3 owl feathers by midnight. I require forest intelligence reports.
Trap. Not real. Dangerous. Dangerous.
Forest specimen analysis complete. Transmitting behavioral data to Central Command.
Wait, you've been recording everything? You're some kind of forest spy machine?
Do not interfere with data collection protocol. Maintain safe distance.
No surveillance in our forest. Error.
Forest protocol compromised.
Mission failed. Forest protected.
All right, boys, lesson learned. If there's a talking vending machine in the woods, it's probably up to something sketchy. The forest is back to normal. Bigfoot surveillance team out.